Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn a trading setup that is based on stochastic momentum index and super trend. So let's get started. Okay, so the name that I have given, that is a SMI super trend without ATR. Okay, it's for my purpose. Indicator that I am going to use, that is SMI and super trend candlestick chart on a 5 minute time frame, and the strategy is a sell strategy. Now when to sell? When the stochastic momentum index, okay, that is a percentile K, crosses below the percentile D. Okay, so black line crosses the red line below, and the close is lower than the super trend. Okay, so close is below the low super trend, and the super trend setup is 10 and 2. What is a buy strategy? So when to buy, this crossover happen, okay, so that is exit point, or 0.5 percentile, that is the exit point. The target is 1 percentile. So whichever stochastic momentum index or 0.5 stochastic momentum index or 1%, whichever earlier happen, that is a exit point. Now if you can follow us on a Twitter, that is @charttraders, or you can send an email on email ID chart.traders88@gmail.com. Okay, if you have any trading setup and do you want to backtest on a streak, you can send a mail on a chart.traders88@gmail.com. We will do a backtest on behalf of you, and we will send you the result, and the response time is within a 1 week. Now where to sell on a chart? Okay, so when this crossover happen, okay, and at the same time price is below the super trend, just go for sell, so we can get this rally. Okay, same way here, but up to this point small rally. Okay, then same way we can see here crossover happen, price is below the super trend, we are going to sell. Again go further. Okay, here crossover happen, but here stop loss trigger. Okay, here no trade happen because price is above the super trend. Okay, this is the best example. When crossover happen, price is below, you can go for sell. Okay, so there are so many signals are generated. Okay, here also, but price is above the VWAP super trend, so no trade happen. Okay, so we are going to do a backtest on a streak. Now in order to backtest our strategy and calculate the performance and the accuracy of the strategy, I am going to use streak. So in streak, just go to strategy and create strategy. I want to apply on Nifty, so here just write down Nifty future. I am going to apply on 5 minute chart. I want to sell and one lot. Okay, now what is our condition? That is a stochastic momentum index percentile K crosses below your percentile D. So here you have to select percentile D, and remaining parameter as it is, and closes must be lower than your super trend. Okay, so super trend in a red signal, closes, so this is your trigger point. Okay, whenever momentum index crossover happen, you have to check for close is lower than super trend, then we have to sell. What is a buy condition or exit condition? That is stochastic momentum crossover, stop loss 0.5 and target is 1. I am going to apply. Okay, 9 and 12 p.m. candlestick chart and MIS. Just name is given, save and backtest. So now you can see, so within a 3 months from 25 Feb to 24th May, 109 signals are generated. Out of 109, 51 win, 58 losses. So around you can say 45-47% accuracy. Maximum gain around 8583, and loss is minus 3516 per trade. Continuous winning streak 6, losing streaks 5. Means after 5 loss, 6 1 is winning streak. Same way after 6 win, 7th one is a losing streak. Even you can see our PL and profit and loss curve. If you remove the brokerage, then the profit is around 92,636. Now you can see transaction history. EN means entry point, EX means exit point. Okay, based on stop loss or our indicator. SL means stop loss. Okay, TP means target point, and SO, if SO is available, that is MIS square off. Okay, automatically square off at 315 in Zerodha. Okay, this is, so you can see whole history. Just we will analyze one trade. So on 22nd May we have a sell around 10 o'clock. Okay, so 22nd May around 10 o'clock. So here we have a sell, super trend crosses below, closes below. So closes below the super trend, so red signal is already, and crossover happen. Okay, so what is exact time? You can see around 10:05 means 10:10 candle closing. We have to look for close. So at around 10:10, 9044. So 10:05 candle 9044. Okay, here, clear. At this point we are going to sell, and after that we have a strong sell off. Okay, what is exit condition? This crossover here or 1 percentile, whichever achieve, or 0.5 stop loss. So whichever appear, it will be exit. We will see one more trade. We will see one losing trade. So SL. Okay, here around on a 8, no, we will take recent one. SL. Okay, here on 13 May. Okay, so 940 is the entry point that we are going to sell. Okay, so we will see on a 13 May 940. 13 May. This is 13 May around 940. Okay, so here we are going to sell, but after that we have a pull off and our stop loss trigger, because here closes below this point and even stochastic crossover happen. Okay, so we after that a stop loss trigger. So there are different transaction. Just see. Now if you want to make live means if you want to create algo, or if you want to take buy and sell with the help of this algo, what you have to do, just click on this and deploy. So it will ask for strategy live for how many days? 1 week. Number of quantity here. Now strategy cycle means number of trade that you have to perform in 1 day. So 5 times maximum. Regular and bracket order, I want to select regular. MIS or normal. MIS means intraday, and CNC means normal. Now paper trading means it's a virtual trading. Okay, you buy and sell order will be generated, but it trade will not happen in your account. Okay, so it's like your virtual trading. You can see buy price, buy time, sell price, sell time. Okay, so before the strategy you can paper trade for 1 to 2 months. If accuracy and performance is good, then you can apply. We have already tested for 3 months. Okay, that is from 25th to 24th May, but still before that you can go for 3-month paper trading and then take live. So if you are going to take live, okay, now here your algorithm will, your script will, or algorithm will check for the live signal. If any matching condition appear, it is going to generate buy signal, and in a live strategy you have to click compulsory here buy and sell. Okay, here one signal will be generated buy, and here you have to click, then order will be sent to the Zerodha account, because I have already logged in with Zerodha account. If just check the broker, your broker is available or not, then use it. Normally Zerodha is available, or order is also available. Just check Motilal is also available, I think. So buy and sell will be signal will be generated. You have to compulsory click buy or sell. Okay, according to your matching algorithm. Okay, stop loss and all stuff will be done, like 0.5 and 1 percentile target, that will be put automatically in Zerodha. But you have to take buy and sell signal. Sell means indicator based selling signal or indicator based buying. Okay, so that you have to compulsory click buy and sell. Okay, so with the help of Shriek you can create a strategy. Okay, I have already created so many strategy. I have already checked the performance of the different indicator. See, once your strategy is live, you cannot change it. So before, if you want to change, just go to live strategy and delete it or stop it. Okay, now I can add it. So I have already created so many trading setup. I have already created so many indicator performance comparison. Okay, just watch out those videos. The link is given below in the description box. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.